these are some of my checks, and they're not all of my checks. These are some of my checks from the earnings that I have done in my signings all of this year. And I'm very happy that I am financially stable, and I'm very, very grateful. I'm very happy, and my soul is very happy because I do great work and I make great money. Period. Hello, my name is Neha. I am a notary public in San Jose, California, and I was commissioned as a notary last year in January 2022. I did general notary work up until all of last year because I did not know better. Early this year, I stumbled upon the loan signing systems course on YouTube, and I got very, very intrigued, and I registered myself in the course, and I can promise you I haven't looked back today, and I haven't made the amount that I used to make with general notary work. I have doubled that amount, and I didn't know I could double that amount, and I didn't know how far I could go. I also didn't know how important my role is to the society and how relevant I am to the system, and I didn't know these things. And now that I do, I take great pride in my work. I take great pride in the fact that I am a notary, and I have visibility in where I want to be, and I can plan my day around my children and not miss any school drops, breaks, classes, and I have sanity in my head. I couldn't have had a better career, and I am so glad that I'm at this place because I'm at my happiest, best. I also want to say this, that I am an immigrant. I moved to this country only 5 years ago, so not so long ago. But if I have come this far with that amount of clarity and can be around my children, so can you. So if you are an immigrant like me, and if you are a parent like me, this could be a great, great career option. Know that you're important. Know that your role is meaningful, and know that you add value to the system and to the people around you, and take pride. Take great, great pride in yourself and in the course that you're enrolled with. Educate and empower and learn, and keep learning.